In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable and set up Siri on your Mac. So setting up Siri on your Mac is really simple to do. So the first thing you will need to do from your homepage here is head over to the top left hand corner to the Apple icon, and then you will need to head over to System Preferences. Once you are on System Preferences, as you can see, there is an option now for Siri right here in the middle. Once you click on Siri, you'll be brought to this page here. And what you can do now if you want to enable Siri is simply click on Listen for Hey Siri. Once you click on that, you will get this little pop-up box here, and you can now click on Enable. Once you do that, you can now click on Continue, because what this will do is it will set up Siri according to your voice. So if you click on Continue, as you can see, it will now tell you to say Hey Siri. And you just got to go through this sequence and say the things that it wants you to say. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Hey Siri, play some music. As you can see, Hey Siri is now ready to be used on your Mac, and it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.